Lewis with MLF Legal, and today I'm out at Injury One, a medical clinic in the Dallas area that treats workers' comp patients and personal injury patients, folks who might be injured in some type of accident. And today I've got Dr. Desiree Flemming to tell us a little bit about counseling and psychological injuries. Let's start with just a little bit of information about you.
My name is Desiree Flemming, and I am a licensed clinical psychologist. I actually have a doctoral degree from the University of Southern Mississippi in Hattiesburg, Mississippi, with an internship here at the University of Texas Southwest Medical Center, with placements across the Texas area. I did a placement at Terrell State Hospital, at Children's Medical Center, UT Southwestern, and also at Parkland.
Excellent. So in the context of a workers' comp patient or a personal injury patient that has a brain injury or some type of psychological trauma, what kind of treatment options do you have for them?
I think here at Injury One, we are a unique environment because we offer a comprehensive system. That comprehensive system includes physical therapy, and I think what makes us very unique is that we offer counseling services. And I know someone would say, well, why in the world would I need counseling services if I've got a shoulder injury or back injury? Well, one of the things we utilize is the Official Disability Guidelines, and we call it ODG. ODG identifies specific criteria that patients would benefit from having. And one of those things it identifies is that patients would benefit from behavioral treatment. And so behavioral treatment is cognitive behavioral treatment, identifying pain coping, how to deal with the stressors associated with no longer being employed, the stressors associated with having your family members rely on you and you having been the primary caretaker and not being able to continue to assume that role. So I think those are some of the ways in which we're very unique compared to some of the other facilities.
When you address these types of problems with your patients, how does that help them with their overall recovery?
Well, I think it's really, really important in terms of their overall recovery because what we're talking about is functional improvement. And so in terms of functional restoration to their previous level of functioning, then we've got to help them understand that their pain coping, their pain is real. And that while other people or their employers or others may say that you should have gotten over it by now, that's not what their experience is. So what we do is we validate their experience and attempt to get them to understand that we are there for them and we are a strong advocate even if other people don't agree with that. So in that regard, we always advocate, and if the services that we request are denied, then we then ask for reconsideration of that same request. And we keep fighting and fighting and fighting and fighting.
And I think that's one of the big differences between other clinics out there and the services that people can get here at Injury One is that you guys fight and don't take no for an answer.
We do not take no for an answer. We'll do whatever it takes to make sure that that patient's story is told and that they are heard, because what we want them to understand is, but for the grace of a higher power, it could be you, or it could be me, or it could be my family.
Excellent. Well, if you need this type of care, if you need to see Dr. Flemming, come check out Injury One and ask for Dr. Flemming.
We are here for you.